In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide your feedback on eBay. By the end, you'll know exactly where the setting lives and what changes when you switch it on, so you can control how much of your feedback is visible to the public. I recommend using a desktop browser for this because one of the menus appears when you hover your mouse. Start on eBay and make sure you're signed in. Move your cursor to the top right corner of the page and hover over the My eBay menu. Don't click yet, just rest your mouse there. A drop-down will appear with several shortcuts related to your account. From that drop-down, click Selling. This opens your seller area, often called the Seller Hub or Selling Overview. It's the central place where you manage listings, orders, and account details. On this overview page, look for your eBay nickname. Right beside it, you'll see a number. This is your feedback score. Click that number. This takes you to your public feedback profile. The page buyers and other users can view to see your history and reputation. On your feedback profile, locate the visibility control that says Visible to Everyone. This label indicates that your feedback comments are currently public. Click that option to open the visibility choices. You're not deleting anything here. You're simply deciding how much detail visitors can see on your profile. Now choose Hide Comments. This setting hides the written feedback comments from public view on your profile. Typically, your overall score and high-level ratings may still remain, but the actual text comments will no longer be displayed to everyone. If you see a prompt to confirm the change, go ahead and accept it. The update should apply quickly, though it can take a moment to reflect across the site. A few tips as you finish up. Hiding comments can reduce the context buyers see when they check your profile, which may affect trust for some shoppers. If your goal is to protect privacy or minimize visibility of unhelpful remarks, this toggle is useful. If your goal is to build confidence with new buyers, consider leaving comments visible and responding professionally to any negative feedback instead. Remember, this setting doesn't remove or erase feedback. It just controls visibility of the comment text. You can return to your feedback profile at any time and switch it back to visible to everyone if you change your mind. That's it. You hovered over My eBay, went to Selling, opened your feedback profile by clicking your score, changed the visibility from visible to everyone, and selected Hide Comments. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you manage your eBay presence with a bit more control.